Guys, Norwex has outdone themselves. I am so excited about March 2022 because it's all about the ladies. So our hosting rewards for March are amazing. They were just released and I have to show you what you get, what you can earn, all this free stuff when you host a party with us in March. So I'm wearing two of the items. So this is actually mine, the spa wrap. It is Velcro. The only thing it's missing is pockets and I'd wear it all day. But this is so great to wear when you get out of the shower, like when you're getting ready, putting your makeup on, whatever, it doesn't fall down. It has our back lock in it, so no bacteria. Also the hair turban, which is one of my favorite items. I have thin hair, but I have fine hair, but a lot of it. And the more I use a hair dryer and hair styling tools, the less hair I have. So what I love about this hair turban by Norwex is that my hair dries about 75% of the way in about 15 minutes. And so my hair time under heat tools like hair dryers and things is very minimal these days. And I've actually seen great improvement in my hair. So not only can you get these amazing items when you host a party in March, look at all this other stuff. So some of my all-time favorites, like I am so excited. All right, so first up are some body cloths in this beautiful blue. The facial scrub mitt, I use this every couple days. I use it right in the shower. I remove dead skin and, all that off my face. You put your hand through the back and just clean away. This is amazing. It has a little hang tag in it so you can hang it in your shower. Also, Norwex laundry detergent. Everybody needs that. You can also earn a full household package, which is an enviro cloth, a window cloth, and dusting mitt in this pretty purple. And I'm going to save the best for last, so just give me a second. This hand cleaner, which I swear by, if you're tired of sanitizer, it's drying your hands out, this natural hand cleaner is the way to go. The natural astringents in it clean your hands without water. This is so nice to have in your purse. I love this so much. And also for buying, like you're going to have buying guests on your party, obviously, and you can earn these kitchen towel and graphite, a kitchen cloth, and a full pack of our counter cloths, which are amazing. They are a great alternative to paper towels. I have totally detoxed my family from using paper towels. I'm so excited about that. We used to get a case per week. I'm not even kidding, from Costco. So if that tells you how many paper towels we went through, that should be a good clue. So one of my all-time favorite skincare items from Norwex is free in the host rewards in March. It's our Illuminating Oil. So I have one open over here. This is mine. I would bathe in this stuff if I could. I'm just saying, it's really amazing. So it's Illuminating Oil. You literally use 3 to 5 drops for your whole face. Use it before you use your moisturizer. I'll put some on the back of my hand. Just watch this magic. Oh, this stuff is so good. Just rub it in. Feels so good. Now you want to use this on your face and neck, not your hand. I just want to show you guys. I mean, look at the difference. Look at the difference. That's insane. So soft and moisturized. It has 15 skin-friendly oils in it. Even for the most, sensitive skin, you'll be fine. There's nothing harmful in that. It has Nordic antioxidants. It's great. Just boost your face with hydration and you are going to drink it up. So I hope you love the host rewards. Let me know if you want to have a party, an online party so easy with me. I will create a Facebook group. You invite a few friends and family and I'll do all the work. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.